Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. So I know a lot of you guys struggle with hair dyes, and there's a lot of million videos here on YouTube on how to tone your hair and how to fix bleaching hair disasters. So I found this product from Amazon. I was going to try it on myself and I totally forgot, and I just dyed my hair black. So I have this extension that I bleach for a video that I did, and I want to see if this toning shampoo and conditioner can tone and fix this brassy looking hair piece, whatever. So I'm gonna try it and show you guys everything. So this is, you can find it on Amazon. It's from a brand called Natural Formula. So it is the toning, I've got the toning shampoo, and I've got the toning conditioner. So what are you supposed to do with this? So I guess you could use it as a regular shampoo and conditioner. So it says here directions for the shampoo: gently massage into wet hair and lather, allowed to set for 2 to 3 minutes, and rinse thoroughly until water runs clear. Like after a color treatment, use once a week or as needed. For best results, use with color intensive conditioner. Do not use on highlighted hair. It does not hide gray hair. Do not leave shampoo in hair longer than recommended, and wearing gloves is advised. Follow directions closely in order to avoid staining towels, clothes, and bedding, and bathtub. Interesting. So I'm gonna wet this. Alright, so the hair is wet. Oh my god, maybe I should remove my jewelry. Alright guys, so I wet the hair. And then this is the shampoo. It's pretty dark. Look at that. Okay. So now I'm just gonna lather this. Very careful because I don't want to ruin my sink or anything like that. I don't know if it's gonna work. The hair wasn't like dark enough. So I think I'm just gonna add more. Okay, you guys, so it seems like it did help. So I'm gonna go in with the conditioner now. So I have the conditioner over here, and I'm just gonna go all over like so, and I'm just gonna massage it. Trying to do this with one hand, so be sure to be careful, you guys, when you use this, because you might stain your tub and things like that. So again, I'm gonna let that sit for 3 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm back. So this is what it looks like. So this, to me, see how it's darker here in the middle? So I think you have to really be careful with the application. Make sure to spread it around evenly, and make sure you leave it. I mean, it did darken the hair, I have to say. Like, the hair looks a lot better than it looked before. But my application job is horrible. I think I might do another coat or so. The back looks the same. It doesn't smell badly, which is good. The hair doesn't feel damaged at all. And they both, the shampoo and conditioner, were very conditioning, surprisingly, like very hydrating. So as when I was massaging it, the hair started to feel silky smooth. So there you go, you guys. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna try this again to see if I get a better effect, and I think I'm gonna leave it longer than 2 to 3 minutes. That's what it says in the directions. So I'm gonna leave it for about maybe 10, see what happens. So let's go. All right, so I already started because I was taking pictures. So I am gonna drown. Did I take the shampoo? Okay, so I'm starting with the shampoo right here, and I am going to rub this very evenly just to make sure that nothing is missed. Probably you don't have to go in with so much, but from what I experienced the first time I applied this thing on these extensions, it was very, very blotchy. So I'm gonna leave that for maybe 10 minutes or so. Oh my god, it is a mess. It looks disgusting. Oh god. So I'm just gonna work this in. I'm just gonna add a little more in here. Going crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna do this quick. This is what it looks like. I'm not gonna even bother to clean this up, this mess. So I'm just going to go in with the conditioner. Maybe I should wipe it off. So I'm gonna leave this for about 3 minutes. It looks disgusting. And then I will dry it and just show you what the end. Oh my god, it looks so disgusting. And I will show you the end result. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result. What do you guys think? I'm getting like some darker areas. I don't know if you can see that on camera. So final thoughts, I don't know, it's okay, I would say. I don't think it's something revolutionary, and I don't think it's the product to get if you have really, really brassy hair. I don't think it'll remove any brassiness. I mean, it did kind of toned down the color a smidge, but nothing, sorry, I moved the camera, nothing significantly, like nothing significant, I mean. I don't know, I just don't recommend this type of product if you are having major brassy hair disaster, because I don't think it does a great job at removing brassiness. This is just to, I mean, if you have brown hair and you're in between hair appointments, then you can go over with something like this just to add a little touch of vibrancy to your color, but this does not replace color. Like, it doesn't replace demi or semi, either color. So no for brassiness. I don't recommend this for super brassy hair, but if you do have brown hair and you just want a little boost here and there, I do have to say that the hair looks and feels very, very silky. I saw in the bottle that it has some keratin in there, so it is going to moisturize the hair, which is nice. The hair doesn't feel dry, you know, after rinsing everything off. So yeah, so I guess, yeah, this is what I think, and I hope this helps. Don't buy this if you want to get rid of brassy hair. Use a toner or just add more bleach to get rid of your orange hair. And this is just more of like a touch-up. It won't work on gray hair, just to let you know. So yeah, and yeah, so thank you so much for watching, you guys. As always, take care, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.